Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to scan now. Open your phone's camera or a QR reader app and make sure camera permissions are granted. Position the code in the center of the frame, about 6 to 12 inches away, so the box fills the screen but stays fully visible. Once the app recognizes the pattern, a preview or notification appears. Don't tap randomly. Make sure your phone has an internet or Bluetooth connection if the QR will open a web page or start pairing. Once the preview appears, pause and read it. Verify the URL, app action, or device name before you proceed. If it's a web link, glance at the domain to avoid phishing. If it's Wi-Fi or pairing, confirm the network name or device ID. Then tap the notification and follow on-screen prompts. Grant temporary permissions, enter a password if required, or accept a pairing request. This step executes the QR intent, so take a breath and finish by completing the action the QR initiated. Save the contact card, confirm the ticket purchase, or verify your device joined the network. After completion, test the result, open the link, load a page, or check connection status to ensure everything worked. If something goes wrong, try a quick troubleshooting sequence. Wipe the lens, improve lighting, move the phone nearer, or use a dedicated QR scanner app. If the code still won't read, try a different device or ask the sender for a text link.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.